to Cognitia Podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Cognitia Podcast. We are back with another riveting episode today. Every week, we get together to explore fascinating topics at the intersection of technology and innovation, uncovering the invisible revolutions that reshape industries, transform workplaces, and bring us closer to a future that seemed impossible just decades ago. In today's episode, we are diving deep into the incredible world of specialized robotics, how purpose-built machines are attracting billions in investment with their efficient task handling, and why the real future of robotics might not look anything like the humanoid robots you see in science fiction movies. So, let us begin, shall we? First, let us talk about what is happening right now in the robotics world. The global robotics market is experiencing unprecedented growth, with specialized industrial robots leading the charge. Companies like Boston Dynamics, ABB, and KUKA are developing machines that excel at specific tasks rather than trying to replicate human capabilities across the board. But have you ever wondered why a robot designed to weld car parts is worth millions to an automotive manufacturer? Or how a robotic arm sorting packages can process thousands of items per hour with near-perfect accuracy? Well, it was not always this sophisticated. The journey of specialized robotics has a fascinating history that dates back further than you might think. The first industrial robot, called Unimate, began working on a General Motors assembly line in 1961. This 4,000-pound mechanical arm was designed for one purpose: moving hot metal castings from die casting machines. It was primitive by today's standards, but it could perform this dangerous task 24 hours a day without breaks, complaints, or safety concerns. The first wave of industrial automation focused on replacing humans in hazardous or repetitive tasks. These early robots were essentially programmable mechanical arms that followed pre-programmed sequences. They lacked sensors, could not adapt to changes in their environment, and required precise positioning to function correctly. Yet even with these limitations, they revolutionized manufacturing by increasing consistency and reducing workplace injuries. The real transformation began in the 1980s and 1990s with the introduction of computer-controlled systems and basic sensor technology. Suddenly, robots could respond to their environment, make simple decisions, and perform more complex tasks. Japanese companies like Fanuc and Kawasaki became leaders in this space, developing robots that could paint car bodies, assemble electronics, and perform quality inspections with remarkable precision. But here is where it gets interesting. Instead of trying to build humanoid robots that could do everything, engineers focused on perfection within specific domains. A pick-and-place robot mastered the art of moving objects efficiently. A painting robot could apply coatings with consistency no human could match. Fast forward to today, and specialized robots are attracting billions in investment precisely because they excel at what they do. Amazon has deployed over 520,000 robotic systems in their fulfillment centers worldwide. These robots do not look like humans at all. Some resemble giant orange beetles that lift entire shelving units and bring them to human workers. Others are sophisticated arms that can identify, grasp, and sort millions of different products based on machine learning algorithms trained on vast databases of item characteristics. The numbers are staggering. A single Amazon fulfillment center robot can move at speeds of up to 5 feet per second while carrying loads of up to 1,320 pounds. They can operate continuously for 12 hours on a single charge and navigate through facilities using a combination of QR codes, computer vision, and mapping algorithms. The efficiency gains are remarkable. What once took human workers several minutes to accomplish, these specialized robots can complete in seconds. But it is not just about speed. Modern specialized robots bring unprecedented accuracy to tasks that require precision. In semiconductor manufacturing, robotic systems can place components with tolerances measured in micrometers. That is smaller than the width of a human hair. These robots operate in clean room environments where even the smallest particle of dust could ruin a multi-million-dollar batch of computer chips. In the medical field, surgical robots like the Da Vinci system allow surgeons to perform operations with precision that surpasses human capabilities. These robots do not replace doctors, they amplify their skills. The robot's instruments can move with tremor-free precision, scale down large hand movements into tiny, precise motions, and provide 3D high-definition visualization that gives surgeons a better view of the surgical site than their own eyes could provide. Let us talk about some of the incredible specialized robots that are transforming industries right now. In agriculture, autonomous tractors and harvesters are revolutionizing farming. John Deere's fully autonomous tractor can plant, cultivate, and harvest crops without human intervention. It uses GPS navigation accurate to within 2.5 centimeters, computer vision to identify and avoid obstacles, and artificial intelligence to make real-time decisions about soil conditions and crop health. These agricultural robots can work around the clock, analyzing soil conditions every few inches and adjusting seed placement, fertilizer application, and water distribution accordingly. A single autonomous harvester can process over 200 acres per day, while collecting detailed data about crop yields, quality metrics, and field conditions that help farmers optimize future growing seasons. Hadron XC, developed by Fast Brick Robotics, can lay up to 1,000 bricks per hour with millimeter precision. It uses laser guidance systems and computer vision to ensure each brick is placed exactly where it should be, creating walls that are straighter and stronger than human-built equivalents. The underwater robotics sector showcases perhaps the most impressive specialized machines. Deep-sea exploration robots can dive to depths where water pressure would instantly crush any human. The Nereus robot, before it was lost to the deep, could operate at depths of over 35,000 feet, deeper than Mount Everest is tall. These robots collect samples, take photographs, and conduct scientific experiments in environments more hostile than outer space. Now you might be wondering why these specialized robots are so much more successful than humanoid alternatives. The answer lies in the fundamental principles of engineering efficiency. When you design a robot for a specific task, you can optimize every component, sensor, and algorithm for that purpose. A humanoid robot trying to perform welding would need to balance, walk, manipulate tools designed for human hands, and process visual information the way humans do. A specialized welding robot can be designed from the ground up to move along predetermined paths, maintain perfect positioning, and deliver consistent results without any of the complications come with trying to replicate human behavior. This specialization extends to the artificial intelligence systems that control these robots. Instead of trying to create general artificial intelligence that can handle any situation, engineers develop focused AI systems that become incredibly sophisticated within their domain. A robot sorting recyclables can learn to identify thousands of different materials based on shape, color, texture, and even chemical composition using specialized sensors. It becomes an expert at this one task in ways that would be impossible for a general-purpose system. The economic impact of specialized robotics is transforming entire industries. Manufacturing productivity has increased by over 85% in sectors that have heavily adopted robotic automation. Labor costs per unit have decreased, while quality and consistency have improved dramatically. These robots do not get tired, do not make mistakes due to fatigue, and can maintain peak performance for years with proper maintenance. But perhaps the most exciting development is how these robots are being integrated into collaborative workflows with humans. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are designed to work alongside people, not to replace them. BMW uses collaborative robots on their assembly lines that can hand tools to workers, hold parts in position while humans perform complex assembly tasks, and even learn from watching human workers perform new procedures. Sensors enable the detection of human workers around the robots and their intentions, enabling the latter to adjust their behavior accordingly. Machine learning algorithms help robots adapt to variations in their tasks without requiring complete reprogramming. Cloud computing enables robots to share knowledge and learn from the experiences of similar robots operating around the world. For global industries, the implications are profound. Companies that embrace specialized robotics gain significant competitive advantages in efficiency, quality, and cost control. The data collected by these robots provides unprecedented insights into operational performance, enabling continuous improvement and predictive maintenance strategies that minimize downtime. The investment numbers reflect this potential. Global spending on robotics and automation is expected to reach over $200 billion annually by 2025. Venture capital firms are pouring money into robotic startups that focus on specific applications rather than general-purpose humanoid designs. Amazon has invested billions in robotics companies. Google's parent company, Alphabet, continues to fund robotics research through its various initiatives. With that, we come to the end of this week's episode of the Cognitia podcast. We hope you enjoyed our deep dive into the fascinating world of specialized robotics and gained a new appreciation for why the future of automation might look very different from the humanoid robots of science fiction. The next time you order a package online and receive it the next day, or drive a car with incredibly precise manufacturing tolerances, you will know exactly how specialized robots made that efficiency possible. The real future of robotics lies not in creating artificial humans, but in developing machines that can perform specific tasks better, faster, and more consistently than any biological system ever could. These specialized robots are not just changing how work gets done. They are redefining what is possible in manufacturing, medicine, agriculture, and countless other fields. We will return next week with another exciting episode of the Cognitia podcast. Until then, happy learning and keep watching for the specialized robots that are quietly revolutionizing the world around you.